Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can group and ungroup elements in Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my design in my Canva and I'm going to show you how we can group and ungroup elements. First of all, if we want to do that, we have to select the elements we want to group. For example, I'm going to group this cloud with this fairy. So I'm just going to select them. Guys, I'm going to click on the elements, and after that we can simply click on group. Okay, and as you can see guys that those two elements have been grouped, and then if we want to ungroup we can simply click on ungroup. And if you want to group all the elements you have, you just need to select them all like this and you can click on group. And as you can see that all my elements become one group. Okay, if you want to ungroup, you can simply click on ungroup, just like that. That's so easy, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to group and ungroup elements in Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.